If you get the "user is banned" message while trying to play Halo Infinite, and don't understand the reason, check out our guide to know the reason and the solution.
This "user is banned" is not an error but a punishment to the players who quit the game, leaving their teammates in a disadvantageous position. If it's the first time, the game won't be that strict with you and ban you for 5 minutes. For the second time, you'll be banned for 15 minutes. For the third time, the punishment lasts for 30 minutes. Fourth time, the game will ban you for 1 hour. You'll be banned for 3 hours if you repeat the same offense for the 5th time, and for the 6th time, you'll get banned for 16 hours. The game has taken this step because if you suddenly leave a match, it'll affect the gaming experience of all other players who were playing the match. Because it is not an error, it has no fix. You have to wait until your ban period ends and after that try to rejoin the game. It is also true that sometimes players got disconnected because of internet problems or server issues. Therefore, it's a better idea to check your internet connection before you enter a match, and if you are getting disconnected again and again, try restarting your router to fix your internet connection problem.
That's all you need to know to fix the "user is banned" error. To avoid this error, the best option is to check your internet connection before you join the game and not to leave a game midway. Play every match to the end.